Chewy! I learned it from my dad! So you want to know the philosophies of Marucci or Surf Club? Well, philosophy number 1 is to respect the bug lord.
Rabbit food. I don't eat this crap.
Philosophy number 2 is athletes' nutrition is vital. Ready?
Let's go, time to go training. Come on.
Well, philosophy number 3 is everything we do together and nobody gets left behind. Hi! Philosophy number 4 is saving lives and taking care of others since 1916. Rob, can you explain what it was like in 1916? Weren't you there?
Yes, I was, Phoebe. And Tyrannosaurus Rex, Stegosaurus. It was very hard keeping the beach safe with dinosaurs running.
Because we hadn't invented the wheel then, either, and fire hadn't been invented either. So you
can understand how challenging it was for us.
What a challenge. Philosophy number 5 is that we loudly and proudly sing in the rain.
Two, one, go.
Philosophy, oh God. It's alright, philosophy, okay.
Philosophy. Okay, go to sleep.
Hey, stop it.
We need to write on a piece of paper.
So she can actually read it. Philosophy number 2 is athletes' nutrition, which is vital.
both of you look that way at the same time and then go like that at the same time. Ready, set, go.
One, go.
Philosophy number 4 is taking care of others and saving lives since 1916. Rob, can you please explain what it was like in 1916? Weren't you there?
Cut.